Hi folks, welcome back to the BU-29 restoration project. Here in the previous video, you probably saw me trim out and glue these in place, and then I also started trimming out the skin from the other, for the second sheet. That's what's going to be going. Second sheet, that's what's going to be going on. These will be the last pair of sheets we do until we roll the fuselage upside down. And then once I get these two sheets on, it'll be time to start working on that inboard wing stub, and then also fixing the nacelles and adjusting the tops. So what I'm doing right now is, we can see here, this one is really the worst one, but it popped up just a little bit because of the Gorilla Glue expanding. Everywhere else is really not too bad. It's maybe proud a 16th at most, probably more like 3/64 to a 32nd around the perimeter. Nothing that we can't really sand down. And here you see I've got the outline marked to put this sheet on. This sheet being substantially larger than this one, just to help spread that load out in areas to where we won't have stress cracks from like a butt joint or multiple sheets coming together. But anyway, to try and help alleviate some of the issues of this thing popping up, especially once we get down to the bottom where the curvature is a little bit tighter, what I've done is I've got a piece of, I want to say 4-inch PVC pipe here. I've taken my sheets of balsa wood that I'm going to use, and I've already got them cut to shape. I got them trimmed, traced onto the surface here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a couple of pieces of balsa wood and then just an ace bandage, and I'm going to wrap them around this balsa wood sheet, or I'm sorry, this balsa sheet around this PVC pipe, wrap it with some ace bandage, and that will help it set with a curvature as that water evaporates out, and then that will help us maintain that curvature on the fuselage with less issues. So Okay folks, there we have, should be 4 sheets applied on this video. This has been a little over, right at 2 days of work to do 2 sheets here, 2 sheets on the other side. It's looking like there's going to be probably 2, maybe 3 more sheets left to repair the barrel of the fuselage here, and then what's left is the ventral fin up here, which I'm still kind of deciding how I want to fix this. The B29 vertical tail has much more curve to it, where it's almost up here and then it curves down. I've kind of thought about doing that, since I have to basically replace the leading edge all the way up here to the more or less the tip of it anyway. So since it's so much, since I've really got to cut a lot of this out to replace it, it's not that much extra work to really put that extra bit of curve in there. Really the extra work would be down in here, where this solid piece of balsa ventral fin would be. So still kind of debating on that, but while I stew on that for a bit, I'm gonna go get some dinner, and the next video will likely be working on that left inboard wing stub. So for now, y'all have a great day.